Welcome everyone to the guide on the Auto Forward Messages bot. When you want to automatically forward messages from this channel to another, forwarding Telegram messages but losing every button. Affiliate links, sign-up CTAs, purchase buttons, all gone the moment you forward. That and Oppos, revenue disappearing on autopilot. And rebuilding buttons by hand for every message? Nobody has time for that. Auto Clone button fixes this. One toggle, every inline button cloned automatically to your forwarded messages. Instantly. All you have to do is activate it, then click the Save button to save the configuration. Here in Oppos, what it looks like. Source message, 3 buttons. Forwarded message, same 3 buttons. Fully clickable. It in Oppos, that simple. Now we in Oppos. V easily duplicated the button exactly like the original channel. Now here in Oppos, where it gets powerful. Switch to URL only mode and you unlock whitelist. Add the URLs you want. Only buttons matching those links get forwarded. Everything else? Blocked. You can also guess that when you do that, only the first button can reach the target chat. Prefer the opposite. Use blacklist instead. Add URLs you want to block, everything else passes through. Perfect for filtering out competitor links or spam buttons. Here I and Oppos, fill in the URL for the first button, so the first button will be blocked and the other 2 buttons will be forwarded to the target chat. As you can see, the first button has been removed. And the real money feature, URL replacement. Swap any button URL with your own. Original affiliate link, replaced with yours automatically. Every forwarded message, every button, your link, your commission. Here I only provide a simple example so you understand the feature. In practice, you should replace it with the link you want. And that in Oppos, how I changed the link in the first button. Pretty simple, right? Additionally, there in Oppos, another option to filter duplicates, allowing you to remove identical buttons. In reality, such cases are rare, but we and Oppos V built this as a precaution so you can be more flexible if it occurs. No more dead messages. No more lost commissions. That's all I wanted to share in this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides in the future, and see you next time.